everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am super glad you're joining me today because today we are here in the beautiful Summerlin, Las Vegas, and we're going to feature a beautiful 3-story home which has a first floor bedroom, so that's really nice. And also this home has an unobstructed view of the fabulous Las Vegas Strip. Aside from that, this home is already quick move-in, meaning you can move in right away. It is for resale. No one has ever occupied this home, so it's brand new constructions and lots of upgrades. So I am super excited for us to do this together. But before we proceed, let's do 3 things, guys. 1, let's subscribe to this channel. 2nd, let's like this video. And 3rd, you are very welcome to share this beautiful home to your friends and family so that they will be aware that there is such a home for sale here in Summerlin that's ready to move in. Okay, and before we proceed also, I wanted to remind everyone that I've created the playlist on the channel page so that you can see your favorite builder right away, because the playlist is per builder. Okay guys, I'm super excited. Let's tour this home together. Right guys, this is the home. So we have 2-car garage there, and then you have a mini courtyard there, and then this is the 3-story home. I can't wait for us to check the strip view, but this is your community, guys. Lots of modern design homes here. Right? Very, very elegant homes. And let's check this beauty. So they told me that this one has never been occupied, so it's a new construction for resale. Right? Okay. There's I'm seeing something there. Like a first floor. I believe this might be the garage. Yes, it is. All right, let's see if we can enter. Yeah, this is a pretty nice garage. Very deep. Yes, okay. And then we're gonna check out this. You have a first floor. I believe this is a bedroom. Yes, it is, because you have that closet area there. So this is very ideal for those who have parents, or if you have any guests that you wanted to be separated from your main area. Let's open the lights. Yes, because it has its own full bathroom. Look at that. And they upgraded this with nice countertops. This is quartz. Hello guys. Okay, so that's your first floor bedroom with bathroom, and it has an access to this backyard, right? So you can definitely make this like greenery here, and then because you have an access to the gate there, this is a very private one. If you want, you can have someone stay here privately and they can enter that gate. And let's check out. That's your AZ. Yeah, because they can have their own space here at the very first floor of this 3-story home. I'm gonna close first the door. Okay, so glad to know there is a first floor bedroom. Easy access for those who cannot go up. Okay, let's open this one. It's a coat closet. Okay, that's the door we entered into. And let's go upstairs, right? Before that, I have to open the door, the lights. Okay, so maybe the lights upstairs. Okay, there you go. See how this is my first time entering this home. That's why the lights are off. Okay. You were able to open the lights. You were able to see the behind the scene, guys. That's behind the scene, opening the lights. Okay, so this is the first window that we see. Look at your open space, guys. You have this nice, this is a very wide stair here. And then you can put your, you know what I would suggest here? I'll put like a massive floor to ceiling wall tile. This will make it more impactful. And also you can put like a linear fireplace at the bottom. And then you can put your sala furniture here, right? I can see the strip already. We're not yet in the balcony. This is your kitchen. Okay, so you have the kitchen there. Really nice counter there, quartz, right? Let me open the lights. So you are going to see the beauty of this kitchen now that I open the lights. Okay. Nice cabinetry here. As you can see, it's like color, I think this is dark blue, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's check out what's happening on this door. Okay, so you have a pantry area. Okay, you have a pantry area here. Pretty good sized pantry area. And that is the area of your dining, right? You can put your rectangular dining area here. Good thing they extended the counter here, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna span it, guys. Ooh, there's a balcony there. This is how it looks like when you're at this corner of this house. Okay. Really nice. And then you have these two big windows overlooking the street view. Let me expand it. That's the strip, guys. This is how near we are. It doesn't justify on the video, but when you go here in person, that is bigger in appearance. Before we go to the balcony, let's check out what's happening on this side. Oh, okay. This is nice because it's very convenient to have a half bathroom here on this main living floor. Hello, guys. And then let's check out what's happening here. Ooh, nice. You have storage space there for towels, linens. Okay, so far so good. I love that stairs, guys. That brings so much dramatic appearance to this floor. Okay, let's check out the balcony before it's too late in the dark, because I want to make sure you can see the strip view there. So that's the strip, guys. So you have an unobstructed view of the strip when you're at your balcony here. Right? Really nice. And that's their model home there. Okay, so this is your community, really nice community here. Really nice railing here. I like when they put this kind of railing because it makes the balcony really open. This is a nice space here. You can hang out here during the night, watch the strip. Or you can probably also put a dining here, right? You can eat here outside. Okay. Let's close that so that no insect will come in. Okay, let's do this. Let's check out what's happening on the second floor area. But before we go, I'm sorry, it's third floor. But before that, I'm seeing something here. We shouldn't be missing this area. Okay, so you have another area here for your laundry. Actually, let's open the lights. There you go. You have a laundry area there. Ooh, nice. This might then be the master or the owner's bedroom, right? Because, oh, nice 3 windows there. Because it has this massive bathroom. I believe we might be on the owner's bedroom here. This is your shower, right? Clean looking, really nice cabinetry here, guys, and double sink. Yes, I think this is the owner's bedroom. Hello, guys. And then you have a closet, toilet. And then this is your, oh, it's pretty good size actually, right? You can put your cabinetry here to make it more interesting and beautiful. Okay, so we see 2 bedrooms so far, one on this floor and then one at the bottom. And then let's check out what's happening to your third floor. But before that, I'm gonna span it here so that you can see the tall ceiling here. That is so nice. I wonder where's the light on that one? We can check. But this is a nice dramatic stairs here. Okay, let's check out what's happening to the third floor here. I'm seeing another balcony, guys. They're very generous on this window here, right? Very, very generous. Okay. I'm gonna open the lights. As I mentioned, guys, you're seeing the, because this is the first time I'm entering this home, so everything is closed, like the lights. So I'm seeing a full bathroom here, right? And they use this quartz all over the house, which is really nice, very consistent. Hello, guys. And then you have a closet here. Okay, so very nice. Very, very spacious closet for a secondary bedroom, I guess. Because we saw the primary owner's bedroom a while ago. Let me open the lights here. Okay, so that's already the lights. So what you can do is like make a nice wall panel there, right? Look at your view, guys. It's already almost evening here, that's why it's a little darker, but definitely this is very bright if it's during the middle of the night. Okay, so welcome to your balcony. This is awesome. This bedroom has its own balcony. And I like that they have this railing here, right? Very, very nice railing. This is a very spacious one. You can put like seating arrangement here. And welcome to your view, guys. This is your view of the strip. Right. I believe this might be unobstructed because even if you put the house there, you can still see the strip, the building. Really nice. Okay, so that's the view. It looks far from the video, but if you go here in person, this is very near those buildings there. Doesn't justify in the video. This is your community, guys, right? There is a gate, there is an entrance there. Okay, so far, really nice balcony. We're back here inside the bedroom. Gonna close the door here quickly. Okay. And I believe that's the bedroom there. So there are 3 bedrooms, right? One on this floor, which is the 3rd floor, which has a balcony because there's no other entrance here. And then you have the 2nd bedroom on the 1st floor, and then the primary bedroom on the main living area. So it's scattered, meaning all of the bedrooms are scattered, which is really nice because you have your own privacy. So that's a good layout there. Comment down below, guys, what do you think of this beautiful home? And any recommendations you would like to put, since this doesn't have the furniture. So definitely you can have your own design element in terms of furniture or wall tiling. So please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video to your family and friends. Really appreciate your support to this channel so much. We are growing so super fast because of your continued support.